Guys, I have the Airpods. This is not a Pro. This is the first generation, as you can see. And today I'm going to unbox it. Um, because and like we got a new Airpods, so I'm just going to unbox this Airpods. As you can see, it is the original Apple Airpods. But the problem is I don't got Apple. I got like Samsung S8. So let's see if it connects to it. I'm not going to show you how does it connect to. Maybe I'm going to show that in my next video. But it is this an unboxing. As you can see, this is the original Apple. I don't know if it's original or not. Like this is 100% original. On the back it shows the AirPods. So this is the box. So let's open it today. Like this, let me open this. Wait, where is the, so let's open it. Okay, I think I need to, oh, there we go. Yeah, opening it. This is really hard to do with one hand, guys. The ceiling is coming off, and it is literally, guys, it is like 3 a.m. and I'm making this video because I just got this pack, like I got this like, you know, it is a good time to film, and I got free, so I just got this delivered today from Apple. So let me open it. I don't know how to open this. I pushed the iPhone case. I pushed to on iPhone 6, but it got broken and I have to get S8. Come on, let's see if this. Okay, wait, hold on. Like, okay, let me open the box for you guys. Come on. Okay, this is so hard. Just hold on, I'll come back when I'm opening the box. So let's open up now. Okay, like it's almost done. Oh, are you kidding me? My god, this is so hard to open. Yes, almost there. Just let me, actually, if I put my camera over here, pretty good. Oh, we can see this. Finally opened it. Okay, this is like the you know, the cover, or whatever you want to call it. I don't think so we need that for now. Let me put this here. Over here we got like focus. Wait, hold on, let's focus this. Oh yeah, now it's focusing. Okay, so like first we just get this or it is designed by California, and I cannot believe I'm touching the real AirPods right now. So like, let's take a look at this first. So this is like, you know, some instructions, you know, some basically some paperwork, whatever you want to call it. Like, I don't want to go into detail. Actually, I want to. So here's, you can see, we'll get back into that. But the biggest thing which I'm waiting for is this baby over here. You know, the oh, the original AirPod. Oh my god, this sounds so burnt in my head. Oh, so sweet. This is so sweet. Oh. I mean, just take a look at this, boys. This zoom. Let me zoom in, and let's see if we get something in the box. What the hell is this? Guys, can you help me? What is this? Just joking. I do know what it is. This is an iPhone the charger for the AirPods. This an USB, yeah, whatever is it. Just like this the Apple USB, and I don't think so. Then I think that's the 8. So let's put everything back now. So in complete package we get the, let's put the box. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the AirPods, and this is the interaction manual. I'm just setting up for you guys. Oh, big mistake. Just let me put this over here, and this is what you get inside the box. Oh my god, just check out this baby. This is so sweet. Oh boy. Like, let me zoom in. Wait, hold on. Oh shit. Check out this, boys. Check out this. It's all original. Let's take out. Do I need to unbox it? Wait, how do we take out this? Just hold on, guys. I hope you don't mind the mess behind me. Let's open this AirPods. Here you go. As you can see, this plastic is off. The restraining is off. Just hear this sound, guys. Wait. I hope I don't break it. Okay, right now I'm just Oh, it sounds so nice. Okay, so here's the AirPods. This is the it says it is the original from Apple. As you can see, there's the button. There's the the pairing button, and yeah. Let's are you ready? Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Wait, let me put my camera there. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's sweet. AirPods. My god. I cannot even believe this. Oh, okay, just close this again. Let me open it again. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to break this AirPods. They're literally so expensive. I mean, I spent all my I literally spent like I got this gift from someone, and who if he is watching my video, or if any I just want to say thank you whoever got me this gift. I mean, there's a family member who got me this gift. It is my the from just like a very close family. Yeah. So okay, okay. Let me set up my camera over here again and show you how does it open. See, here's the AirPods. Oh, what's this? Okay, this one and this two. Why do you keep on closing on myself? Do not do that, okay? I'm going to keep it like this, guys. I'm just going to put that on side. But let's take a look at this tube baby. Okay, and this here they are. As you can see, this is for the I don't know which ear is this. It doesn't say which ear is it for, but this is the AirPod. As you can see, this is the but just let me focus. As you can see, this is the headphones. By the way, I'm so sorry if my camera was not focusing. This is the airport. So this is the headphones, or like the original AirPods, or keeps on going out of focus. So yeah, so and this is the case, the charging case, of course. I think you need to I don't know a lot about Apple. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you want to, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, my next vlog will come maybe next week, when I going to do my next vlog will come next week, when I'll compare when I'll connect this um to my S8. So let's see if it connects to my S8. Okay, and till then, peace out. Yalla yolo, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please give a like. Okay, bye.